Down in the depths of Point Nemo, just in the center of the world, lies a golden treasure, which legend has traveled through the seven seas. Many greedy sailors and pirates have traveled in search of it, thinking they are going to find jewels and gold. And sure they will, but the most invaluable thing is hiding in the shadows. Better known as the treasure of the sea, this beautiful mermaid has the power to turn everything she touches on gold. If you ever hear her sing, then it will be your demise, because this beautiful creature will make you crash your ship and then feast on your soul. Hello, and welcome back to Kira's workshop. I really hope you like this story, because I've joined an amazing cartoon artist to make a doll for Mermay. Wolof Norin was in charge of creating the place where this mermaid lived, and he did an amazing job incorporating the golden statues of the men who have perished in the mission. He has such an incredible art style, so you should go and check him out. Now, for the treasure herself. I'm using Toralei mermaid doll, which I have prepped by removing her factory paint. I'm going to start by removing her cat ears. Very carefully, I use an X-Acto knife. The remaining bald holes will be covered later by her new hairstyle. I sprayed the doll's body with sealant and I'm going to paint that amazing tail with golden acrylic paint. Be sure to spray her, because other way the paint will not stick to the plastic. To get the paint real opaque, I applied 3 coats. Now I'm going to blush her body using a mixture of orange and brown powders. To cover her chest, I'm going to glue some rhinestones in different sizes. I'm going to be as symmetrical as possible. I'm also painting golden the spikes Toralei comes with. Don't forget to spray them, and I applied 3 coats as well. To give her a very cool contrast, I'm going to paint the center of the tail with a black design. All the way down to the fins. She needs to shine. So, just in the center, I'm going to apply some golden nail powder. And I'm also going to apply the powder to her torso. The cool thing about custom dolls is that you get to play with very different materials. Don't forget to seal the deal. And now for her face up. I've been using a different sealant and I'm planning on doing a video on the future about the materials I use. So stay tuned. I liked a lot the bigger eyes design I made for my Sakura doll. So I'm going to repeat it with this one. I'm starting the contour with gray pencil and then darkening it with black. I was having a hard time with a white pencil, so I decided to paint the sclera with white acrylics. I'm going to color the complete eyes with a green base, and her pupils will be black painted. The green base on the eyes was because I'm going to fill the iris with makeup glitter. I prefer using this kind of glitter because it's smaller and you don't end up with big chunks. Some shines with white paint. And we're done. Searching for a makeup look, I remember the Golden Flakes Charlize Theron word as a Queen Ravina. So I'm applying the iridescent flakes I've used before. And then I'm going to paint them. Finish the doll with glossy varnish on her eyes, and we're done. I really enjoyed working on this doll based on the story I gave her. Walla Fennerin also made his own version, and she came up awesome. The link to his Instagram account will be down on the description box, as well to the list of materials I used for this repaint. And now, time for the big announcement. I finally reached 1000 subscribers, and I couldn't be more happy about it. I'm really grateful with all of you for watching this channel and all your amazing comments on my video. And to thank all of you for being part of this, I'm making my first giveaway. I present to you Aura, the Golden Goddess. Yes, this video is pure gold, because there is no other way I could feel with so much love. This giveaway will be open for everyone and I will run it on my Instagram account. So if you want to know how you could win this doll, go to my page and read the instructions. Thank you so much and expect more interesting costumes, because this is just the beginning. Until the next time!